Do you know how calculus help us to find the parameters of machine learning model? If you don't know, I will tell you. So suppose we have a model fx, we have to find out the parameters of the model. So for example, I have taken very simple example, y is equal to x. We take differentiation of y with respect to x, what we get 1. What it means, if we change the value of x by some a, then y will change by this much. So if we take one example, suppose x is equal to 0.01, and we have changed the value x dash is equal to 0.02. So what it means, we have increased x 2x dash by 0.01. So then starting value of y is equal to 0.01. Why it is because y is equal to x is given. So y dash would becomes, y will change we have used plus symbol because we have increased yes, so that's why we have used the plus symbols, and we put the value of this one by calculation. This value will becomes 1 into 0.01. Then we get the value 0.02. So if we change the value of some x, and then the value of y would change to 0.02. So this is very simple one. So if we, how do we use this one into find the values of the parameters in machine learning model? Suppose we have a given data. This is the given data, and you can see here data, if any student study 1 hours get 40 marks, and 2 hours 41, like that. So the actual relation is 10h plus 30. Suppose we have started with random models, and we want to find out the actual value. So randomly we started from m is equal to 10 and c is equal to 50. So if we find the marks predictions by using this models, if we have started randomly, so the random value of m and c, what we get from by using this equation, if we put value 1 here, and we use these values, we get 60 and 70 and 80 and 90 and 100. So the y cap would becomes this much, and we take error means what, actual, this is what we have predicted, and this is what actual result. So we take difference, what we get, we take difference 40 and 60, we get 20, and 50 and 70 we get minus 20. If we because marks minus marks dash is this one, and this is marks, we get 20. So now our aim is to find out the correct value of m and c, so that the error can be minimized. So what we do, we can differentiate the value of this error. As you know, equation of error is what, we can write equation of error y minus y cap. So what we do, we have to find out what correct value, we have to first find out the correct value of m and c. So how we will do, we will write the equations d upon, sorry, I have to write is d upon dm. So d error by dm, what it implies, if you change the value of m, then how much error will change? Our task is to minimize the error. So if we change the error, the value of m, then we will see the reflection of change of m on error. So this is how, this is the main reasons we use the differential or calculus in finding the values of parameters of any model. So what are parameters here? M and c. As we have differentiated error by m, we will also do for the with respect to c of error differentiation, and if we do these things simultaneously, then we can minimize the error by changing the value of m and c. This is what the use of calculus in machine learning model. I hope this is clear.